Good morning. Time to wake up.
Good morning, Rose. I feel happy today. I make the bed every morning.
It looks very nice, Ben. Look, the sun is shining today.
What a beautiful morning. I wash my face now.
Don't forget your ears, Ben. We brush our teeth together.
2 minutes, right?
I choose my green cardigan today.
This blue shirt looks good, yes?
I cook eggs for breakfast.
It smells wonderful, Rose. I boil water for our tea.
I love morning tea. I set the table now.
The table looks perfect. We eat breakfast together every day.
Yes, this is my favorite time. I wash the dishes now.
I can help you, Rose. I dry the plates carefully.
You are very careful, Ben.
I sweep the kitchen floor.
Good job. The floor looks clean. I feed the cat every morning.
She is always hungry. I water the plants today.
They are growing so nicely. I dust the shelf now.
I remember this photo. I tidy the living room.
It looks so cozy now. I fold this blanket neatly.
The sofa looks very inviting. I vacuum the carpet now.
The carpet looks brand new. I clean the windows today.
Now the sunlight comes in better. I sort the mail now.
Oh, a letter for me. I hang the laundry outside.
The wind will dry it fast today. I water the flowers every day.
They are blooming beautifully, Ben. I sweep the garden path.
The path looks clean and tidy. I pick the tomatoes today.
Look at this big cucumber. I trim the bush now.
It looks much neater already. I fill the bird feeder today.
Look, a little bird is here. I rake the leaves into a pile.
That is a very big pile. I clean the garden table.
Now we can sit and relax. We watch the birds together.
This is a peaceful moment.
I bring in the laundry now.
Everything smells so fresh. I fold the towels carefully.
Such a nice, neat stack. I clean the sink now.
It's shining like new. I wipe the mirror clean.
Now I can see myself clearly. I organize the books now.
This is one of my favorites. I clean the counter now.
The kitchen looks spotless. I tie the trash bag now.
I will take it outside. I sweep the front porch.
The porch looks very welcoming now. I polish the table now.
Wow, it is so shiny. I arrange these fresh flowers.
They make the room so pretty. I make the bed upstairs.
This room looks so tidy now. I open the window for fresh air.
It smells so fresh in here. I spray the window glass.
Now we can see the garden clearly. I sort the old newspapers now.
We can recycle these tomorrow. I water the vegetables carefully.
The soil feels nice and soft. I pull the weeds out now.
The flowers can grow better now. I sweep these leaves again.
Autumn brings so many leaves. I clean the garden tools now.
Everything has its place now.
I drink my tea slowly here.
This is my favorite part of the day. I wipe down this chair now.
Nice and clean, perfect for sitting.